Seagate 5 TB Backup Plus Portable. A portable storage high-capacity backup made easy. Think about it: photos, movies, documents, phones, tablets, laptops. Your digital world is made of many parts that add up fast. Because we believe that managing all these files across all these devices should be easy and not a burden, we designed a family of premium portable hard drives to help you balance things out. Advanced data security. Need a hard drive that goes above and beyond the call of duty thanks to its password protection and hardware encryption. You can rest easy knowing your digital life is secure. Maybe you are diligent about backup. Maybe you are a pro at putting it off until tomorrow. Whatever your style, Backup Plus portable drives offer an array of easy-to-use software tools. Backup on demand with one click. Schedule automatic hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly backups. Mirror folders for seamless file management. Refined and understated, cozy and textured. Backup Plus comes in an array of styles made to complement your signature look. And whether you are storing yearly tax documents or ever-growing collections of high-res photos, capacity won't be an issue. We have a review for the read and write of this 5 TB Seagate Backup Plus portable. Read sequential queues 32 thread 1. We have a read 143.1 megabytes per seconds. Write random 4K IBQs 8 thread 8. Read 1.263 megabytes per seconds. Read random 4K IBQs 32 thread 1. Read 1.298 megabytes per seconds. Read random 4K IBQs 1 thread 1. Read 0.466 megabytes per seconds. Write sequential queues 32 thread 1. We have a write 131 megabytes per seconds. Write 7.445 megabytes per seconds. Write random 4K IBQs 32 thread 1. Write 7.495 megabytes per seconds. Write random 4K IBQs 1 thread 1. Write 4.515 megabytes per seconds. Capacity of the storage. Speed copying of the portable Seagate backup. Thank you. Click to subscribe.